Hello everyone. So in previous video we have seen how to work with JSON server, how can we create fake API, and also we have seen how to make GET request from that API. So now we will see POST request. So you can see here POST request. So basically POST request is used when we want to send data to web addresses or we want to enter data onto server. So post is different from put because it used to create new data entries at the destination, whereas put is meant to modify same one. So we will see this put request in another video. So right now don't worry about it. So you can see here this is our db.json file, and you can see here there is two record, name and age, because id is automatically generated by JSON server. So we will create these two entries and enter into this list using post method. So let's go to our app.js. Now we need a form, and in form we need two inputs. First one is for name and second one is for age. So placeholder, second one is for age, and we need a button, add user. Also we need two states, so let's import useState we have already imported, so let's make a state name. Initially name is empty, let's make it capital. Also we need age, so let's make age is capital and by default it's null. Now let's set value. So first input is for name and second input for age. Now let's handle change. So on change we need e and set name e dot target dot value. If you don't know what am I doing, so just watch my previous videos. Now let's make it for age, so age, and also on change we need e to set age e dot target dot value. Let's delete this. Okay, and also we need a for on submit event. So let's just create here on submit, and let's call our function handle submit. We haven't made yet, so let's just make a function. So for that we will make function const handle submit e. Now we need e dot prevent default for not refreshing our page again and again. So this is our output. Now let's check inspect console and let's enter something. So nothing is happening right now. Ignore this error. Now let's submit our data, but before that we need to start our API. So just come here on the command and run this json server --watch space db.json. Press enter. So our API is running right now. So let's make our function. Let's call our function fetch. We need URL, so you can simply go here localhost 3000/users. This is our API. You can see here we have a 5 number of data. Now just copy this and paste it here. Also now we need to define some properties. So first of all, first property is method. So we are going to use post method. Second one is headers. So in headers we will simply type content type capital T gem application slash json. Also we need body. So in body we will parse our data. So json dot stringify, and we need name and age. So we want to pass our data, name and age, into this API. So now we are done. Before running the application, we need to give here a message. So we have given success message. Now let's check. So let's enter something. Let's say my name and age. Now add user. You can see a success. Right now ignore these errors. Now go to this API and refresh. You can see here new entry. Name is Bhavik, age is 21 and ID is 6. So that's how we can make post request using fetch method. So that's it for this videos. We will cover different kind of methods in upcoming videos. Bye bye.